we?
Not a bit close.
Where are we?
Waiting in the bedroom. We are now. Beautiful curtains. We are
We're
now.
waiting for the fireworks, aren't we?
Playing Indian. Waiting for the fireworks.
Yeah.
The light is very bright.
I know, and everyone's going mental. So yeah, it's bonfire night.
Do that pretty.
What?
Stars, that's beautiful when it's lit.
Yeah.
It's not really lit by the looks of it.
Now we're just waiting for the fireworks. They're meant to start like, right now, so yeah.
Oh dear.
That was the finale, I'm guessing.
That's why you don't want her under the bed.
Oh wow.
Oh, look at that. It's all right, Erin. Picture will come and do. Look at that.
Oh my god, it's like things are falling from the sky.
It's going to nuclear water than
Yeah.